What's up guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 4. So the model that I have here is the gold aluminum case with the pink sand sport band. It is the 40mm version, not the 44, and it includes the Apple Watch itself, the band, charging cable and USB power adapter, and it requires an iPhone 5s or later with iOS 12 or later. So this will be my first time using an Apple Watch Series 4. Actually, this watch is powered by watchOS 5, which I've never used in my entire life. And the cool features of the Apple Watch are you can take an ECG right from your wrist by tapping the digital crown so that I can take an ECG. And yes, all the walkie-talkie features, and a lot of them will go through them in a sec. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, now let's open that seal. Here you have the Apple Watch box itself, and we just take this out, I think. Okay. Oh, it even has all. I've never seen Apple Watch unboxing like this before. I mean, look at the Apple Watch patterns. I mean, this is so beautiful, the packaging. I never seen such packaging like this in my entire life. You got all the Apple Watch, and here we have the Apple Watch box itself. Let's open this up. And here we are. We have designed by Apple in California stickers. And we have some quick start instructions. It says, open your band box, follow the steps to attach your band to Apple Watch. To get started, put on your Apple Watch and press the hold the side button to turn it on. Install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. Then the watch face. Also says this in Chinese. And here's some documentation. Pretty good. Done with that, now we get the accessories itself. So I believe this is the adapter we can use to charge our Apple Watch. Let's take this apart. And here we have the Apple Watch charging. I think they call this the Apple Watch charging brick, I think. So this is the UK wall outlet, if you didn't know. And we have the magnetic charging cable for the Apple Watch. Take this out. And then we need to take the seal off. And here we have the Apple Watch charging adapter. And here we have the Apple Watch beautifully packaged in this sleeve. Let's pop it out of here. It looks really shiny. Wow. Look at this, man. Apple Watch Series 4 40mm aluminum and ceramic case. It's a GPS mod, not a cellular one. So we finished the watch unboxing. Now let's get to the bands. It's the pink sand sport band. And you're gonna take this out. And here we have the Apple Watch sport bands. To attach, slide it until you hear a click. So I'm gonna take this off. here are the bands itself, and now we need to slide them onto the Apple Watch. Okay. Okay, nice. And we need. I don't think we should take this out just in case emergency. If you lose an Apple Watch band. And here's the documentation for the band. So we have finished the unboxing. Now let's set this up. Okay, so let's set this up. So you have to press the power button here and see this when you use. Okay, Apple logo. That's a good sign. So it should be booting up soon. So should boot up in about 1 minute, I think. Okay, there we go. Oh wait, Apple Watch. Use this iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Bring iPhone the Apple Watch. Continue. Apple Watch manually. Apple Watch 5. Enter the 6-digit code. I'm living in the setting language. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Start pairing. Okay, start pairing. Sure. Okay, there we go. The Apple Watch is paired. Set up Apple Watch. I'm wearing this on my left. Connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Terms and conditions. I agree. Okay, signing this with Apple ID helps Apple Watch communicating digital touch. I'll be back. Okay, with Apple ID, this might take a few minutes. Workout route tracking. Enable route tracking. Oh, workouts. I'll enable that. Share Apple. Okay. Shared settings. Location. Find my iPhone. Okay. How much passcode? Don't have passcode. Skip a step. Apple Watch can help you to capture your heart, ECG, and Apple Watch. Irregular rhythm notifications. Continue. Emergency tasks. Continue. Install available apps. Install all. Apple Watch is syncing. The Apple Watch is almost ready. You'll get an alert when it's finished syncing, so you can use the iPhone as you would normally. So I'll come back in a few minutes, and by the time this is finished, I'll inform you guys on how to use the Apple Watch. Stay tuned. Okay, it's done. So welcome to the Apple Watch app, my watch, face gallery, and app store. So the App Store is about to come in a few weeks time in WatchOS 6. So the App Store will be a standalone Apple Watch app for it, so I can install apps without the iPhone. So let's press OK, and let's see. I felt vibration. Yes, there we go. Let's see. See, general about. So this Apple Watch is running WatchOS 5.3. So yeah, that's cool. And yeah, yes, Outlook one. It synced all the apps that I had on my iPhone to my Apple Watch, which is Nice. So they say like we can unlock my Mac using an Apple Watch. So let's see if that's true. So I'm gonna unlock my MacBook Pro with my Apple Watch, and let me just do this trend. 3, 2, 1. There you go. I had unlocked my MacBook Pro. So really good feature. Thank you so much, Apple. By the way, guys, thank you for 150 subscribers. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, comment on how should I improve my video, and make sure to smack that like button. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.